Say goodbye to the struggles of inconsistent characters because with Midjourney's new update, you can now generate your own AI model consistently in all styles. And today, we will explore how we can use the latest character reference feature and generate unlimited versions of our own unique character. Let's go! To start, I will first create our main character, Sully, on Midjourney by typing close-up front shot of an Asian girl with purple hair in a pink dress sitting in a cafe, cinematic, style raw, AR16:9. And once we get our beautiful character, we can copy the link and use it as our character reference. To simply use the character reference feature, you just have to add --cref at the back of your prompt and add the URL of your character. So taking the first simple example, let's say we now want to generate another version of Sully to be wearing a yellow hoodie instead. We can copy the whole prompt, change the pink dress to a yellow hoodie and type --cref URL link. And here we go. And as you can see from this example, there are some inconsistencies whereby she is not exactly wearing a hoodie. This is because at default, the model may just take reference from more than just the face, but the whole person. But not to worry, as this is where the character weight function comes in. The character weight determines how much of a character we take as reference. And the lower the number, the more it would just focus on the character face. And so in this situation, we would definitely want to lower the value so that the focus would be on bringing the character face over. So the default value of the character weight is 100 and the lowest we can go is 0. So let's try by lowering it to 60 by typing in --CW60 and here we go. And as you can see, she's really wearing a hoodie now. A lot more consistent and the results are way better. However, I also found that anything less than 40 would make her face a little bit more inconsistent. Take a look at CW of 10. So play around with this and see what works best for your shot. We can also use the same method to change other elements in the shot as well. Say for example, now we want her to be on the street. We can once again change the location on the prompt to in the middle of a Japanese street. And here we go. Or she could even be in the desert, or a jungle, or even in the middle of Antarctica filled with snow. But she probably needs a hoodie here because it looks like it's freezing. Now, besides external environments, you could also vary the shot style too by varying the camera angle. Here are some examples. The first off could be a shot from behind, or a top-down shot. Or you could change it to a dolly in a shot, a wide-angle shot, or a low-angle shot. And all of this shot allows us to have different angle of variation for our character. You could even try something different and fun like an underwater shot. And this provides us with a very model-like shot indeed. But while she does look pretty cool, what if we want her to look different? We don't want her to be frowning all the time, am I right? In this case, we could also vary her emotions in the prompt. For example, here's a version of her being happy. Or what if she's scared? Or surprised? Or angry. And this is super interesting, and with all these different emotions, it really does transform the mood of our character indeed. And of course, if you really want to be a professional AI creator, we can't just have her sitting in the same pose all the time. Not to worry, we can also change her movement by changing the prompt, such as making her look upwards, or covering her mouth with her hands, or even combing her hair with her hands. We could also get her into a full body shot instead and change the aspect ratio. But as the initial photo didn't show the rest of her body, the outfit may not exactly be wearing a pink dress like what we wanted. Not to worry, in this case, besides just changing the prompts, we could actually use the vary region function to change her outfit. And this is effective in allowing you to change parts of the photo while keeping the rest of the photo the same. First, we have to select and upscale the image we want, and afterwards, just click on the vary region function and change the outfit to what we want. Let's say a yellow hoodie. Make sure to remove the character reference as we do not want to reprompt with that. If we were to keep it in the prompt, it would end up taking way more reference from the image, such as the pink outfit she's wearing, and provide us with a hybrid mixed version instead. And here's what we could possibly get by removing that and keeping our prompt simple. Amazing, isn't it? And it really gets limitless from here. We could also change the prompt to get her into a blue hoodie, or even a black dress. What's even better is for people that want to create a product shot, you could even upload, let's say, this Nike hoodie to use as reference, copy the link, and add it into the vary region function. And now, you have her in a Nike outfit instead. And this is especially effective if you would like to create a model to product your own product shots and even other product shots for your own creative venture. And from here, we can even create our own fashion AI influencer and model just like Aitana Lopez and make money from brand deals. But before we end, here's another bonus feature you would like for sure: changing her into different styles. Let's say we want her to be an anime character now in our storybook, and we have a specific style that we like. And let's say we like this specific comic style. I could just upload it, copy the URL, and type --sref URL. And this will allow Midjourney to understand and only create images with this specific comic style in mind. As it is a comic style, I would also like to change it to --Niji6, which is a model that is better at getting cartoons, as well as change the keyword cinematic to retro comic style. And here we go, take a look. It's not perfect, but pretty close, and we can play around with the character weight as well to see what we can get. And now you not only can get your characters in different shots, but also in different styles and scenes. Amazing, isn't it? And with this new feature in our arsenal, the possibilities are really endless. So do give it a try and let me know in the comments below on what you are most excited to use this for. If you found this tutorial useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until the next one, let's keep our creativity soaring. Peace.